Hey, welcome to my frequently asked questions video about joining 31. So I always love to try to do this video every, maybe once a year, every catalog season, because sometimes it's helpful to see the videos and the products and everything, but sometimes all of your questions are not answered. So I want to chat with you for just a few minutes about some questions that I get a lot with 31, but I thought I'd start off and share a little bit about 31 with you from the very beginning. So 31 was created in 2003 by our founder, Cindy Monroe. She knew that she wanted to start a business to help women be able to provide for their families and to have a flexible schedule. And so we are celebrating our 20-year anniversary this year of 2023 with 31. So it is our mission to celebrate, encourage, and reward women. So we are a faith-based company. Our name 31 actually comes from Proverbs 31 in the Bible, where it talks about the virtuous woman and how she's worthy of honor and praise and how her price is far above rubies. So she enriches the life of her husband, her children, her family, and her community. So that's why it is our mission to celebrate, encourage, and reward women of all walks of life. So I joined 31 back in 2013, and it has truly been such a blessing for my family, and I cannot imagine my life without 31. I have met so many amazing women through this journey, and honestly, it's hard for me to think about my life without 31 because it's who I am. So I want you to think about, when you are considering the business opportunity with 31, what's your why? Why do you want to join? For me, I wanted to take my son to Disney World, and we couldn't afford to do that. And so that was my why, and I knew that I had to work toward that why. So it's important to know why you want to join. What's going to drive you? Is it money? Is it just something for you? Is it a way to be able to give back? Is it the products? Let's figure out what your why is going to be. And then you need to write that down and work toward it for sure. And then I encourage you, I did this before I joined. When I enrolled as a consultant on the website, when you were enrolling, you had to list your first 4 hostesses before you could enroll. And so I think it was a little intimidating, for me, but when I look back, I was like, that was so smart, because I literally had 4 hostesses lined up before I even enrolled as a 31 consultant. So I encourage you to talk to your friends, talk to your family about helping you get started as a new consultant. Then that way you are set up for success from the very beginning. I promise you that small steps will make a very big impact. So be consistent in your business. Touch your business every single day, whether that's 5 minutes, whether that's 15 minutes. Sometimes I will do like a power hour. I'll either turn my phone off, flip it over, put it on silent, so I am not distracted, and I will work in my business in that set amount of time. So I promise you that small steps make a really big impact. Definitely think about your wishes and your goals. That's part of your why. So definitely, wishes and goals are kind of two separate things, but they can interlock with each other. So what do you wish for? What are your goals? How are you going to reach those? Break them down. If you want to make a certain amount of money every month, then let's break that down. How much do you want to make? Okay, well, we need to do this amount of parties. So you can definitely chat with your sponsor about how to break those down and what your goals should be. But one thing that's great about 31 is it just gives you that platform to be able to do what you want to do. So like for me, I wanted to take my son to Disney World. I couldn't afford to do that on my, my corporate salary. We were just, making ends meet. And that was a wish of mine, but it became a goal of mine, and we broke that down. But 31 was that platform to get me there. Okay, I was able to work, make commission, and that's how I made it happen. So it's a platform for you. So I think that's really great. So what does it cost to get enrolled as a 31 consultant? So we have actually 4 enrollment kits, but 3 different price points that you can choose from. I'll link my enrollment kit video at the end of this one. You may have watched it before this video, I'm not sure, but this is our enrollment kit. So we have a $69 option. We have two $99 options. So we have an at-home kit and then an on-the-go kit. Those are on-the-go kit. Those are for $99. And then we also have a $189 kit. The kits are what gets you in the door. Okay. Don't focus too much on the enrollment kits. It just, think about what kind of consultant you want to be, online, in-person consultant. My kit's always going to be like, give me all the products because I want to make videos. I want to show them in person. So, but it's totally up to you and your budget. But we do have the 3 price points as the enrollment kits. I encourage you to be a walking billboard. Get your products, carry them with you. Carry your 31 purse. Carry your Benjamin's wallet. Carry that large utility tote, that essential storage tote. Be a walking billboard for your business. Carry those totes with you into the grocery store because that is how you're going to have those conversations. Somebody's going to stop you and say, I love that tote. Where'd you get it from? Then you can share your business. But the enrollment kits definitely set you up for success from the very beginning because we give you our top selling products in those kits. And then I like to say our enrollment kits are a business in a box. It comes with everything that you need to get started. Catalogs, order forms, flyers, products. So it's important definitely to start off strong with one of those enrollment kits. So pick which one works best for you. So the next question is, how much do you make as a 31 consultant? So you make 25% of what you sell as a consultant. You can also shop from yourself. If this is just a hobby for you and you're like, I want all the products, you can shop from yourself and earn commission that way too. So you make 25% of what you sell. Our average party is around $500. So that would give $125 in your pocket. Okay, so if you have 2 $500 parties, then that gives you $1,000 in personal volume. Then that would give you $250 in your hands. So another question is, how much is it to act as an active consultant? So we work on a rolling 3 months. So you just have to submit $200 every rolling 3 months. So say in January, you submit $50. In February, you submit $50. In March, you would need to submit $100 to remain active for April. If you submit the $200 all in 1 month, then you're active for the next 3 months. But I love to tell my team, we don't want to work on minimums. We never want to be that minimum consultant. If you do 1 party a month, you're never going to go inactive ever. Also, if you do a gift club, so you have like, 4 people in a gift club, and then they shop with you every other month, you're never going to go inactive that way. We can definitely talk about a gift club later, but there's ways to run your business where you're never going to go inactive, but that's just for our hobbyist consultants. If you are working toward your why, you're not going to be worried about those minimums because you're going to be working your business and earning commission. So you're not even going to have to worry about being inactive. As a consultant, as an active 31 consultant, you have a 25% discount. So you can place a business supply order or a consultant order. You'll get a 25% discount. You can order business supplies and products and get the 25% off of the products. But with a consultant order, you do not earn commission or personal volume, which is sales. That doesn't count toward your active status. So I never order products on a business supply order with a 25% discount. Anything that I want, I'll place it on my own party link. That way I'm earning commission. I'm earning that 25% commission. I'm getting that back. And then I'm earning hostess rewards, and any incentive that I am working toward, I will earn that way. So 2 options. You can place an order on a consultant, get that 25% discount, or you can place it on a party and then get your 25% commission back. Then you can earn hostess rewards on your own order, and then any incentives that you are working towards. We also have different consultant incentives. So I think we're going to start doing a lot more of them in the month of 2023 or in the year 2023. So if you submit X amount of dollars in this month, you're going to earn this for free. So it's a great way to get extra products in your hands, and you can be your own hostess. Your own insider hostess mean the same thing. That's another frequently asked question. I have a very hard time saying insider, so I'm sorry if you are a consultant and watching this, but insider and hostess mean the same thing. So you can be your own hostess. So you can kind of double dip. You can earn commission on the party, and you can earn the hostess rewards on the party too. So you can be your own hostess as well. You can also get products in your hands, like I said, by hosting your own party with your hostess rewards, and also with our new consultant program called AMP Jumpstart. So I'll have a separate video about this, but you can earn products in your first 90 days as a new consultant. So in your first 30 days, you can earn the insulated bucket tote or the travel case. In your first 90 days, you can also earn the double zip storage bin, the commuter tote, the puffer blanket, or the large utility hanging luggage. So that is another way to help get products in your hands for free, y'all, as a new consultant. So that's another reason why it's important to start off strong, so that you can earn all of these. You especially want to earn the ones in the first 30 days, because if you hit that $500 level in your first 30 days, you get a free website for 2 months. So, and I'll talk about that in just a second. I have my little list of bullet points here because I get a little squirrely, and I just want to make sure that I answer all the questions. So what happens if I don't sell anything? Well, nothing happens, but we don't want that to happen, right? We want you to reach your goal. That's the whole reason that you joined as a 31 consultant. So we want you to reach your goal, right? We want to help you start off strong. We'll start you off strong with a launch party, helping you share your business with your friends and your family. But you'll get to keep your commission. You get to keep your products. Nothing happens bad. We're not going to come knock on your door and take everything back from you. But I don't want you to be thinking about minimums when you are joining as a consultant. We want you to reach your why. That's the whole reason for you joining. And some people say, I can't sell anything. Well, I don't feel like I'm a seller either. I didn't go to school for sales, but I just show the products. I either post pictures of them, and we have a whole group for you on Facebook with real life photos that you can grab. We have resources for you. But I just share the products, and if I haven't used the product, maybe I try to use all my products, but maybe something's new and I haven't used it yet. I just try to share ways that you could use it. People just need ideas. They just need ideas. So I'll, say, oh my gosh, you could use this for this, or you could use it for that. But you just share. You don't have to be a salesperson. We do have a consultant or a customer facing website. So that website is $16.95 a month. But it's really your lifeline for your business. If you are if somebody's having a party and they want to share that party link, well, you have to have a website to share that party link. So it's the lifeline to your business. $16.95 a month. It is tax deductible. So I highly encourage all consultants to have a customer facing website. And then I was going to say something about the website. What was it? Oh, you get charged on the 10th of every month for your website. So that fee, that $16.95, will come out on your of your checking account on the 10th of every month. We also get paid on the 10th of the month. So that kind of works out good. We actually get paid twice a month. We get paid on the 10th and the 25th. So that is something that's kind of cool. You get paid twice a month, and then when that $16.95 comes out for your website, it comes out on a payday. So that's great. And also TOT, which is 31today.com. That's the consultant website. So you have a customer facing website, so your customers can go online and shop. We also have a consultant website. We call it TOT, but it is 31today.com. And this has all of your resources to help you run a successful business. It's the same TOT for everyone. So we all have the same resources to run our business, and that's free. It's a free, so many trainings. We have a Facebook group called the Pink Bubble, and we have live trainings on there probably once or twice a week. So, so many resources that you have to get your business off to a strong start. And we have lots of ways to party. You can party online. You can party in person. You can do a little bit of both. You can share a shopping link. You can create a landing. so many ways that you can run your business. And then, like I said, we also have that new consultant program where you can earn up to $400 or, over $400 worth of products for free. And if you are sharing the business opportunity, like I am with you, if you're sharing the business opportunity with others, then you have the ability to earn more and promote into leadership. So as a consultant starting off, you'll make 25% of what you sell. If you promote into leadership at the director level, then you'll earn 35% of what you sell. Plus you'll earn a percentage off of your team below you. We also have a few little stepping stones to get you to that promotion level. We have a senior consultant level, an elite consultant, and then that's where you promote. The next level is director. So we can definitely chat. That's a whole other video, but I just wanted to share a few of my frequently asked questions in joining as a 31 consultant. I hope that you will consider that. Watch the video about my next video with the enrollment kits. Like I said, the enrollment kits are just what gets you in the door, but it is nice to have those products in your hands. So I want you to consider what your why is going to be and what's going to drive you as a new consultant, because, you know, we don't just want you to join and then not ever do anything. That's not helping you at all. And so let's talk about your why. If you are watching today and you do not have a consultant that you work with and you are in the United States, I'd love to chat with you. I'll link all of my contact information below and we can definitely chat. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. And it's important to know your sponsor and chat with her before you join. Ask questions before you join, because it's really important. And so if you join with me, I'll help you with your launch party. I'll send you, I have a text that I'll send you for your first 7 days as a new consultant with little tips to help you get started and things like that. But I'm happy to help you get started as a new consultant and look forward to helping you reach your why, because that's your whole point in joining, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Comment below, let me know if you have any questions, and we can definitely chat. So have a great day. Bye.